Honor 7A is another budget phone from the online-only brand. Price is Rs 9,000. It comes with dual rear cameras, full view display and face unlock feature as well. The phone competes with Redmi 5. But is Honor 7A worth the price? Let's find out. Like most budget devices in this price segment, the Honor 7A sports a plastic body with a metal finish that gives it a premium look. But that's not to say this phone feels cheap. The build quality is really nice for the price. It has a 5.7-inch HD Plus resolution display. The viewing angles are decent, though I struggle to use the phone in bright outdoors. The full view display with the 18:9 format makes for a good viewing experience. This means more space while watching videos. The rear cameras do an above-average job of clicking pictures when there is ample light. I had to struggle with the focus, but then this is a budget phone and it would be unfair to expect too much. I was not disappointed with the front camera either, and the selfies are impressive. The camera also supports bokeh mode. The battery on Honor 7A lasts for about a day on light to moderate usage, which is good to see on a budget phone. My major issue with the phone would be the actual performance. I faced several app crashes and lag when I had multiple tabs open. Plus, the phone heats up really quickly into tasks such as graphic-heavy games and videos. Finally, though the phone has face unlock, I'd recommend you stick with the fingerprint scanner. So, what's our verdict for Honor 7A? Honor 7A is in line with most budget offerings in the market, but it misses out on performance. In this aspect, Redmi 5 has a slight edge. Those willing to spend a little extra can go for Redmi Note 5 or Honor 7C, which costs a little more. For more updates, keep following IndianExpress.com.